It's when I spend the most time thinking about what I've given up. This is a warning. When you start the day just to close the curtains, you're thinking about what I've given up. Where are you now? As I'm swimming through the stereo, I'm writing you a symphony of sound. Where are you now? As we rearrange the songs again, this mix could burn a hole in anyone, but it was you I was thinking of. It was you I was thinking of. I read your letter, the one you left when you broke into my house. I'm retracing every step you made, and you said you meant it. And there's a piece of me in every single second of every single day. But if it's true, then tell me how we got this way. Where are you now? As I'm swimming through the stereo, I'm writing you a symphony of sound. Where are you now? As we rearrange the songs again, this mix could burn a hole in anyone, but it was you I was thinking of. It was you I was thinking of. And I can't get to you. I can't get to you. And I can't get to you. Where are you now? As I'm swimming through the stereo, I conduct a symphony of sound. Where are you now? As I'm cutting through you track by track, I swear to God this mix could sink the sun, but it was you I was thinking of. It was you I was thinking of. And where are you now? And where are you now? This is my mixtape for her. It's like I wrote every note with my own finger.